Hello everyone, Edwin here, and today I just wanted to show you how the Nordic gardening is going. We've got a few things growing now. Let me show you here. And well, this gardening experiment has been going quite well, actually. So this is the bed I had with the garlic planted that I showed you on the Nordic gardening video. So as you can see, the garlic is growing quite well. We've got some parsley, I think it's the name in English, onions, and 3 more beds. This one's got the lettuce, different varieties of lettuce. They are growing quite well as well. Over here we've got some cauliflowers. They are growing very, very fast too, looking strong. We even planted some broad beans, and these are looking quite good as well, as you can see. So far so good. Now the paths between the beds, we fill them with one layer of cardboard, and we put straw and hay on top of it, and it has worked very good to keep the weeds out of the paths. Maybe some places, like this, we've got a few weeds growing, but it's just in between. And the occasional friend, but yeah, this works very well. Just one layer of cardboard, and then even this was green grass clippings, as you can see, but just throw it on top of it and it'll dry by itself, and the weeds will not grow on the paths. And over here we've got our compost station. These are the compost beans, and we've got the red wigglers inside this box here. Let me show you. Look at that. Can you see them? These are the eggs. This small, those are the eggs. And here's some little fellas. Here's a little fella there. These are very happy worms. And this is all pretty much done and ready to be used as compost. Look at the size of these ones. I mean, look at that. Look at how many of them we got here. Look at that. This guy's here. This system that we've got in place here is a wicking bed, it's called. I'm planning a video to show you how you can do just the same. You can do one for yourself. It's very simple, and it has one pipe over here. So basically the wigglers live in a compartment that goes from here, and underneath there's another compartment that collects the moisture. So you can bring a container here and just tilt this thing, and let me see if you can. You tilt it, you see all the good stuff, all the good liquid coming out, and you can use that as liquid compost, they call it. You can use it to fertilize your plants if you mix it and dilute it with some water. It's very good stuff. And over here we've got the compost bin. Just to show you how effective this is. Have a look at here. We've got, because in this area we used to turn the compost pile over, and there's always things growing here. These are pumpkins. We didn't plant them, they're just starting to grow because of the compost. There's another one here. There were some tomatoes too. There's another pumpkin growing over there. So yeah, this is really good stuff. Here's a potato growing inside a pile. What we do is just we collect everything, all the kitchen leftovers in one of these buckets, something like this. Not this one, but we've got another one in the kitchen, and once it's full, we just throw it in here. And let me show you how it looks. There we go. Now this is the top part. This is the it hasn't mature yet, but at the bottom of the pile, we'll get the compost that is already decomposed. So you can look at this. This is usable, and this is very good stuff. So yes, that's how the garden experiment is going. This method works very, very well. It has worked very well for us so far, and yeah, I'll update you on another video to show you how it goes. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.